Hola mis chiquillos, it's Miss Hiller. Hi guys, it's Miss Hiller. I am going over hands-on right now, so I hope you clicked on the right link. This is hands-on. I'm showing you an example that's going to be in the box. It's on the lid of the box. This is an example that Miss Cole made for us. Thank you, Miss Cole. We have a 4-digit number right here. So if you look in the middle, I have a 4-digit number, and I'm going to represent it 4 different ways. I have a base 10 value model. So if you notice these two squares, they have an extra little L at the top. They represent thousands, and I have 2,000s. So I model 2,000s. I have 300s, which are normal squares. A 9 in the tens place, so I have 9 tens. And I have a 2 in the ones, so I have 2 ones. So we just kind of built it from top to bottom to represent this number. I'm going to write it out in words, and I want you to just do your best in sounding out the words, okay? If you notice, I have the word thousands, I have the word hundreds, ones, tens, so that should help you. Then at the bottom, I have a base 10 model again, but this one is drawn differently. So you're drawing it 2 different ways today, okay? And this one has my 2,000s, but it only has 200s. So if I only draw 200s, how do I make it into 300s? Well, look what Miss Cole did. She grabbed one of the hundreds, right? It's like she grabbed it, and she turned it into a group of tens. So this group of tens is actually your third hundred. And then she went ahead and drew 9 tens and 2 ones. So what you're really focusing on today is being able to create a number 2 different ways using base 10, okay? Ms. Cole, after drawing the second one, she wrote it out, but she wrote it out representing her second model. So she said the sum of 2,000s, which is right here, 200s, 19 tens, there's your difference right there. So if you count all your tens, she's got 19 of them, and then the 2 ones. So this is what you're going to do at this station today. So you're going to go ahead, grab your own sheet of paper. You're going to roll the dice 4 times and put that number in the middle. Then after rolling your number, you're going to create it 2 different ways using the base 10 model. Okay? I hope that helped you. Again, remember this sample is in the box, so you can always go look at the box as well. If you have enough time, you're going to make at least one. If you still have time at the station, go get another sheet of paper, or you could just flip it over and make another one on the back. All right, guys. Thank you for focusing.